the heck? Made in Portugal. It smells good. Oh my God! Oh no.
They broke.
One of them's broken. Okay. Guys, it came. My kitchen things came. The microwave came. The thingy came. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's here. It's here. I'm so excited. Okay, it's also heavy though, so can you like carry it? Thank you. Ice tray. Heck yeah. And order to slice Oh, guys, this is my toaster. This is not a microwave. But I got a toaster, which is perfect because I just got bread. So this is really working out. Okay, we also got the mixer. Of course, we got it in pink, very exciting. This is a pink toaster. These are pink ice ball things. I got some golden whisks. Ta-da! Look at this toaster. It's supposed to be all like retro and pink in 1950s. My 10-year-old little girl dreams have come true of having a very pink apartment with a beautiful white kitchen and a pink toaster, guys. Toaster status right there. See that? That, my friends, looks like a toaster. Now we're gonna open up this ice thing, which is kind of self-explanatory, honestly. So it makes ice, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at that. We're gonna be doing some ice making. We got 2 of them. So we got all the ice balls in the world. And reveal, it is, okay, this is a whisk fail. That's probably why they taped it. Maybe someone used them and returned them. They're cute in theory, but dude, look at this. Do you see that? They look freaking used. This is a whisk fail. I think they sent me returned whisks that someone like used and then didn't want. There's literally fingerprints on them. Amazon, you failed me. Well, it's not Amazon's fault. Okay, now for the moment you have been waiting for. This big, it's pink! Ah! Dang, look at her. I know it's not like a traditional like KitchenAid or whatever that other brand is, but like look at this combo, guys. We got this guy and this guy. We're creating a beautiful pink kitchen of my dreams and I love it. This is my dream kitchen. It's happening. And I'm in love. Look, I even have pink nails. This thing is awesome. I love it so much and it's super, super pretty. So here's what it came with. So this little lever does this and then you got all these like dials for like speeds and stuff. This mixing bowl, as you can tell, is very mixy. Came with this mixing bowl and this little spatula. So you can be like, and then it came with like this lid for like that. Yeah, it goes like that. And then comes with this cool little mixy thing for like whisking, the kneader thingy, and this thing. So it has like a bunch of cool tools and bowls, and it's pink, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. So we have 2 boxes. Oh, okay, I ordered this cute, super cute little kitchen timer. I thought it was so adorable. It actually matches my shirt today. Look at that. Look at this. That's adorable. It's a cute little strawberry timer. Oh, I turned it on. It will ring in like 2 minutes, but this is the cutest little kitchen timer to go with my cute little kitchen set and stuff like that. We have a lovely giant box for a cheese grater, guys. They put a giant box, fantabulous. Not any cheese grater, and not just any Ziploc bag cheese grater. It's a golden cheese grater. Do you see this? That's so gold. And now this goes with the aesthetic of the fact that I have everything gold and pink in this house. The microwave finally came. Our beautiful nostalgia pink microwave oven. I have all 3 pink items. It's so beautiful and retro in here. I am loving it. Pink toaster, the pink microwave, and the pink mixer thingy, and a pink strawberry, and a pink Myers thing, and a pink scrubby dish soap thingy. ASMR / not ASMR. Okay, got it. Ooh, plastic. We got sweets, treats, and eats. Okay, all right, thank you, no thank you. This little manual about how to use a nostalgia microwave. Very nice. Very nice, very nice.
Tomorrow.
More boxes. Hey, you can't run away. Don't run away. Excuse the messy kitchen right now, but we are gonna open these bad boys up. A little surprise. I have no idea what they are. I got an electric tea kettle. I got a pink electric tea kettle. Ah! It's a pink bottom. It's so pink. Oh my God. Yeah. Pink spoiler thingy. It's a picture! It is pink! Like, that's not breaking. That's going nowhere. I don't know, but it says exclusively for Anthropology. Okay, let's see how big these boxes are today. Holy, those are huge. What the heck is even in this?
I genuinely don't know why those are big.
Why are these? Why are these so big? I have Jonah on the phone with me, but what the hell? How am I even gonna get these in? They're all like duct taped together too. What is this giant box, you might ask? Well, your question is my question because I have no idea. Zoom in on that, but it says fragile real big. Whoa, $1, ugh, $2, $3. But these ones don't say fragile on it, so what is gonna be in here? Oh my god, there's a bunch of little boxes in this giant box. So it must be fragile. Ugh, another box, another box. Like I should be more careful is what it sounded like. All of these boxes are from Anthropology Home Kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh my god, there's flowers on it. Like a little fairy kitchen. This is adorable. Look at this. For my farmer's market eggs and all of my fairy kitchen needs. Guys, we have to like soup this place up with some plants and flowers because like this baby needs. This is exciting. That first thing was like really, really exciting. We're gonna go this little box right here. Okay, honestly, ever since I was a little girl, my dream was to have an Anthropology kitchen slash home. Like I have loved Anthropology ever since I was like 9 years old. My mom was taking me in there when she went shopping. I loved it so much, but my mom wouldn't like buy things from Anthropology. The home section, I loved it. So my goal was to have my own place one day and have it like full of all of their like aesthetic, and it's happening. Oh my god, this is cute. Look at this. It's ceramic. This is adorable. Like I'm probably gonna use this like decoratively, like on counters. This is so freaking cute. Very exciting. Here we go. It's real fancy. Hello. What is this? It's like a little hobbit bowl. Like a pink, like a lilac purpley pink hobbit bowl. This is adorable. Do you see this? Oh my god, look at that shape. Look at those edges. What the heck? Made in Portugal. It smells good. Oh my god! Oh, these are so cute. Oh no.
It broke.
One of them's broken. But it broke just in half, so I think I can super glue it back together. But look how cute they are. They're so perfect and tiny. Oh my goodness. They're like little dessert. Put them on my head. Okay. Oh, it broke in not in half. It broke in like multiple places. But like the pieces are still big. I bet I could put it back together. Plates! We got the matching Hobbit plates, my guys. No, don't tell me. One of them broke. No, how did these break?
The UPS guy was probably super harsh.
That's so sad. The UPS guy just threw my plates around, but we have one good one. I have to return all of them. This makes me so sad. They're like the perfect little purpley lilac Hobbit color.
You kind of need 4 plates at least.
Do I have to return them? I don't want to return them.
I mean, we might as well.
All of them?
Pretty sure you have to.
No, let me be excited about this. I'm gonna use them anyways. Okay, so here's my broken plate because the UPS guy. Sorry, UPS. Give me a discount? I don't know. Okay, so here's what I think happened when it came to the UPS guy. I think he got really mad at the stairs because I have like, depending on which way you go, there's no elevators here, so you have to go up like 3 or 4 flights of stairs to get to the top floor. And I think he just got really upset carrying those giant heavy boxes that were all taped together, and he just like threw it on the floor and then destroyed all my stuff. It's okay though, it's okay. We still have some that survived. So let's just open the next box. Whoa, this is like actual genuine stone and crystal. Look how beautiful the handle of this is. I think this is a bar set, guys. Look at this fancy bottle opener, guys. Look at that. This is cool. This is expensive. This little guy right here, $68. Made of K-green marble, red Levento marble, brown frost marble, beige travertine, and stainless steel. Wow, look at that marble, guys. If you ever come over to my house, I have no idea how to make drinks at all, but I have the tools for it. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I got a whole set. This is freaking freaking cool! I got a whole set of them. This is gorgeous. Last fragile box. No! They're broken. They're all broken. It was purple pasta plates. Wow, I'm like heartbroken right now. The UPS guy really hates me. Cue the violin and tears. Okay, well, let me show you what I do have, and we will come back with some more Anthropology stuff later. For today's unboxing, this is what we have for our cute little Anthropology home. It is adorable. Like, these are really gorgeous. Look at these little mushrooms. They make me so happy. Look at these cups. Oh my goodness. This little decoration for my cuties. These three, because the fourth one was broken. Thank you, UPS. We got our Hobbit plates, our bowls, and then Hobbit plates. Day 2. This is kind of cute. Oh, this one has a ball on top, but that won't keep it very airtight. Ah, and a sloth. And these mushroom clips. This is so hard not to just like get everything. And mushroom, oh my goodness. I will be living a little fairy life with my mushroom sponges. Okay, but this is a steal, so I'm taking this. Hello pie. I'm looking for an ice tray, but the only, oh wait, this one's kind of cute. Oh, that's kind of cool. And they have cactuses. How much do I love cactuses though? Like for ice. I don't know.
Later that same evening.
Friends, we did it! We have lots and lots of cups and little things from the farmer's markets. This is dog food. And this is from Anthropology. And then I got a couple things for the house at. So we have a lot to unpack. And I think we have a lot of things to clean as well. I also want to clean my crystals and stuff. And we got a lot of stuff to put away. And these, like, look how dusty they are. We got a lot of work, just basic work cut out for us. And we're not even done with shopping. Like, we only shopped day 1. We still have so much more shopping to do. So let's start with making this place a little bit more cleaned up in a basis. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get organizational stuff, decoration stuff, groceries. I'm excited. It smells good. An Ojai Farmer's Market. We got some pomegranate juice, dog food, because of course we gotta feed the baby. Farmer's market figs are better than your average fig. And this one is sort of in the shape of a heart. Ugh. Good stuff. This is actually a little present I got from Urban Outfitters for Jonah. It's a rainbow. It's so cute. And it's a little bit Halloween-y, so it's fun. From Urban. Perfect. Okay. Everything we got from Anthro, I am in love with. So I got a set of these bad boys. They're so pretty. I really love these a lot because I'm gonna be extra and drink water out of this. And then we got a little set, got the majiggers and 4 different versions of these. There's one with rainbows, hearts, and these ones are bees and they're like thick, so I really thought they were cute.
Tomorrow.
It's another day. I didn't get to finish shopping for my kitchen. Another day at Home Goods, shopping for kitchen stuff. I just love shopping. Specifically for the kitchen, for food, for like the vitality of life. People stare at me when I do this, but it's fine. I'm not embarrassed. And now there's a car following me for no reason, but I still have a whole list of items that I haven't gotten because I didn't see any I liked at Home Goods. So I think it's gonna be a mix of like Amazon and the thrift store. I think we should go thrifting for a lot of stuff. So thrift store, Amazon, maybe a little bit of Target. Here we come. It's my bed size too. It looks haunted though, kind of. Okay, so there was nothing at the thrift store that I really wanted, but I stopped into Ross for like just a quick second just to look at something, and I found a Paris Hilton cooking utensils. That's amazing. I had to have, I mean, everything I'm getting is gold anyway, so I might as well get like a Paris Hilton. Quick trip to Target, because I am obsessed with the Scrubby Mommy. I've always wanted a Scrubby Mommy, the sponge, and now that I have my own place, it makes sense for me to have my own Scrubby Mommy. So I'm gonna get a Scrubby Mommy. Oh my loves, we have gotten so much stuff. There's like 4 bags on this hookie. Gotta take it all the way up there. That's my apartment right there. I am so obsessed with the Scrubby Mommy. I'm so happy that I got it. So I just made some leftovers in this pot because I don't have a microwave yet and I need to eat out of the pot, right? So we're gonna open up our brand new little kitchen set right now to use it. I need a fork, so. This one I especially like because it's Hello Kitty and all her friends, so. these on the top glass or the top shelf. To stand on a stool to get there. It's all the way up there. These are all like really dusty, but it's okay because we have this stuff, these all-purpose cleaning wipes. When I saw these, I had to have them. I love these. You know why? Because they're hearts. They're heart wine glasses. They're so cute. These characters are so cute. I love them so much. That's why I had to get this because it was just too adorable to pass up on. And I think it'd be good for maybe like in the fridge. I was thinking in the fridge. Oh my God, she's so cute. Look at her little strawberry dress. It's adorable. The perfect little addition for my kitchen, hands down. Good morning. We are going to the farmer's market today. Let's go get some groceries. See all our carrots, some celery, cauliflower, kale, lemons, limes, giant flat of eggs from the farmer's market. He's making purple potatoes. I love the farmer's market so much. It's surprisingly a lot cheaper. Everyone's super friendly. It's like, you know, the town's little community and like eating local, and it's cool to see like the people who are growing this food and they're like happy to share it with you. Like it's a very fulfilling, self-loving community experience. So I just love the farmer's market on Saturdays. Okay, here's the final product of the kitchen. It's really nothing that crazy. Oh, I guess my toast is done. But we have all of our little lamps here. I made some little curtains. I don't know, I thought it was kind of fun. Little gardening outside. We got all of our little items, little Anthropologie items. Everything is slowly getting put away. We have our little dustpans, whatnot. My favorite tea kettle ever. Kitchen fridge is pretty much organized. Yeah, we're working on it. The freezer is basically empty. I don't know, I don't really eat frozen food. My toaster, as you saw, is working perfectly. All of our little things are put away. Very happy about that. And then I have these little kitchen towels that are really, really cute, and they're actually like super useful. Microwave, it works, the time is wrong. Our mixer, all of our plates, pink and purple, a little bit better organization of our utensils. These are my absolute favorite. I love these teaspoons. And our little rainbow knife set, some more towels. This is somewhat of the final product of the kitchen. Thank you for decorating and organizing and shopping for my kitchen with me. I've always wanted an Anthropologie kitchen. Now I sort of have one. So thanks for doing my kitchen with me, and I hope to see you in the next future videos. Watch out for more home videos because we got a lot going on at this new apartment. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.